Still don't see him. I guess he's not coming this way.
Yeah. You were visiting the Sioux, right?
Yeah.
How was that?
No, we didn't make it out there.
Oh.
Yeah, they came up here instead.
Nice.
Yeah, I was out there in October.
Yeah, and you saw your granddaughter?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. She was sleeping most of the time there for Christmas, but it was nice to have her. I hogged the baby. I was holding her the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that ambulance is not coming this way. So.
Yeah.
Probably end up going up to the Sioux maybe next month. Both my daughters, they've had their G1 now.
Wow.
For almost 5 years.
Nice.
And they're about to expire.
Oh.
They're too nervous to go and get their G2.
Oh.
And I'm like, what do you mean you're too nervous?
Yeah.
So I'm like, you gotta go get it done. If you don't, then
It's tough.
Yeah. They didn't get their formal training with me because I sent them to a different school, different instructor, so that they wouldn't listen to me, right?
Yeah.
So I'll be taking them out to get their G2.
Nice. Sooner, like when this is
when they have a chance to. Any Sunday when I'm off, they can go out.
Oh, so you're going with them?
Yeah, but Alyssa's got to come out from the Sioux. She's got to find the time to do that.
Right.
And it's so easy too. Like the G2, that doesn't involve any of the slow speed maneuvers, like 3-point turns or parallel parking or anything.
Yeah.
It's really simple.
Wait, so I don't need to do that for the test?
Well, you're going to get your full G. I meant your full G, the full G.
Oh.
When you go get your full G, you don't do any of those maneuvers.
Okay.
They just take you out on the highway, a little bit of driving in traffic on LaSalle, and that's about it.
Right.
It's very easy. But for you, you'll know what to expect because we're going to go through the road test with you today.
Got it.
And we're going to keep going straight at the lights.
Yeah. Watching out if it turns yellow.
Yeah. You always want to be prepared for those yellow lights.
It doesn't look like it's gonna